Boujee everyone, my name's Maria, but most of you know me as Boujee Bush Girl. We are coming to you from my house. As you can see, we've done up a little bit of a cooking video. We tried anyways. So we're going to show you how to make this spinach and moose meat kind of pasta bowl thing, I think we'll call it.
Okay, so first we're going to start off with cutting up an onion. I'm only going to use about half an onion this time because we are not making a huge pot. So you can cut it up as finely or as coarsely as you like. It all depends. It's up to you. Um, and then I'm going to put that in a pan with our ground moose meat, and we're going to start browning it on a medium to high heat. We're also going to add garlic. This is to taste. If you don't like garlic at all, you don't have to add garlic. That's the beautiful thing about cooking, is there's no rules. But I'm going to add garlic, and then I'm also going to add salt and pepper to taste. And while this is on the stove cooking and browning up, we're going to put on a medium to large size soup pot of water and start boiling it. So once that's boiling, then we will add our pasta and continue on with our meal. While our meat is cooking and our water is boiling, we are going to open up some of our cans just to kind of add a little bit more vegetables to this meal. I like to add diced tomatoes. We're also going to cut up an orange and green pepper and some spinach that we're going to throw on there. So I'm going to start with opening my cans. I also have a can of tomato paste because I like more of a thicker, rich tomato sauce. This is just a jar of Catalina tomato sauce. I'm kind of a cheater. I don't make my own tomato sauce. Once your meat looks mostly cooked through and you can hardly see any pink anymore, we are going to be adding our tomato sauce, our diced tomatoes, and our tomato paste. Next, it's time to cut up your pepper. If you are a fan of mushrooms, this would also be a good time to add sliced, diced, chopped mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms, so we're not cooking with mushrooms today. So now I'm just going to do a pre-season. I don't know why I call this a pre-season, but I season a couple times while I'm cooking. So I have some oregano. I also have thyme here. And again, our salt and pepper like we normally do. And I like the color of parsley flakes and everything. We're going to take our little, cute little cut up peppers. I love this camera. And we're going to put them in. So when your pasta's done cooking, you can take it off the heat and throw it into a strainer or a colander or a sieve, whatever your form of method is. Give it a bit of a shake and then you can leave it for a couple minutes. You just want to try and get it not as dry as it can be, but you don't want any excess water going into that pan. So we're going to switch this down to a lower heat, and we're going to add we're going to add some baby spinach just to kind of add a little bit more vegetables to this meal since it is a pasta-based meal. Okay, so it looks like we are ready to add our pasta now. Stickier your pasta is, the better it'll bind with your sauce. So we're going to finish it off by adding whatever cheese is in the fridge, which is some Kraft Parmesan and some Great Value free cheese. It's whatever you have. Cheese is cheese, right? So now that we have everything mixed together, we're just going to turn the heat up a little bit, probably just a mid, and just kind of give it a little bit of a quick fry. It's not really going to fry, but it's going to get rid of any excess moisture or liquids that you don't want. And it kind of melts the cheese a little bit more, makes it real gooey. So once it's cooked to your desired likeliness, I just don't like mine too runny, you're going to take it off the heat and just kind of let it set for 10 minutes or so. And then you can plate it and eat.
All right, miigwech everyone for joining me. If you have any suggestions of anything you would like to see us make or cook on this page, just drop a comment or let us know. Send us an email. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. Check on your neighbors, check on your elders, check on your mom and dad, and don't forget to put your tobacco down. See you!